Alright, most new Westinghouse Roku TV already come with apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Hulu, HBO Max pre-installed. But if you want to download and install new apps, add more games, or reinstall missing ones, here's how to do it. You can access the App Store in two ways. Either scroll down your home screen and select Add Apps option, or just from the side panel, open Streaming Store, and both will take you to the same place. All you gotta do is just scroll down just a bit in here until you find the Apps and Search option. If you enter the App section, now here, as you can see, you can browse apps by categories, as there are hundreds of apps and streaming services listed under different segments and different categories. So once you find the app you want, just open it and select Add App to begin the download. And apart from that, you can also use the search option if you want just, manually look for any specific app that's on your mind. And like before, you can install them right into your TV from there. Now, after the installation is done, you can open it immediately right then and there, or as prompted, you can find it later at the end of the Your Apps section on the home screen. All your newly installed apps will be right here. For a quicker access, if you want, you can highlight the app, press on the star button on your remote, select Move App, and then place it wherever you like on your home screen. And that's how simply you can download and install any apps and games on your Westinghouse. Thanks for your time.